Let's count. 1, 3. What goes after 3? No, you have open one. Where is the open one? הנה, אביגל. 1, 3. What goes after 3? Not 2, 4. תגידי 4. מי בא? אביגל, מי בא? Who is there? Mama. Mama? לא, את לא שותה את הוואווה הזה. אוי, תנקי את השפתיים כבר, היא שתתה.
Hey, no. Why are you throwing it? Hi, mamas. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh.
עכשיו תראי את השפתיים, כי היא שמה את זה לשפתיים.
You want more water? We go get more water? Can you give mama a kiss? Can mama have another kiss? Can mama have a hug? Oh, yeah. You know who else is home? Who's home? Daddy.
איפה דדי?
You want to go get water? Here. Come here. Come see. Come see.
Oh, that's Daddy. Daddy kiss. Come here. Okay, come here.
She's getting more.
Oh, did you eat a marker?
Yes. No. She just drank the water from the marker.
Oh, did you have a good day?
Day. She knows how to count to 6 if she's... But now she doesn't want to. Abigail, you want to count? תגידי 1, 3, 5, ואחרי זה היא אומרת 6. Do you see that she knows how to count?
You want to see again? Oh no! Oh no! All done.
עכשיו אתה צריכה להפוך.